Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate your bookkeeping with QuickBooks easy tutorial step by step clearly. To automate your bookkeeping with QuickBooks, start by signing into your QuickBooks account. If you don't have an account yet, visit the QuickBooks website and select a plan that suits your needs. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you will see an overview of your financials. Locate the Banking tab on the left side of the screen. Assign a category based on your preferences. Click Save to finalize the rule. Now, QuickBooks will automatically apply this rule to similar transactions. To further streamline your process, familiarize yourself with the reporting features. Navigate to the Reports section from the left menu. Choose the reports that are most beneficial for your bookkeeping needs. Customize your reports to include relevant filters and date ranges. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.